Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurhana Ayuni and my matrix number is 01DDT21F 2069. I will be presenting about one of the ergonomics guidelines for user interface design, which is the use of colors. So what is the importance of this guideline? First, it will give awareness of color blindness. Next, it is to follow color convention, and the last one is to consider cultural differences. Here is the example that I can give you, which is attention. So the first one is use attention grabbing techniques cautiously. Next, don't use all uppercase letters. Use an uppercase or lowercase mix. Also, don't overuse audio or video. Other than that, use color appropriately and make use of expectation. Furthermore, don't use more than 4 different colors on the screen. Then, use high contrast of colors combination, and last but not least, don't use more than 4 different font size per screen. And that's all from me. Thank you, and I will be passing the slide to Siti Aisyah.
Thank you, Nohana. Next, I will present about arrangement of control and display. My name is Siti Aisyah binti Sopian. My number matric is 01DDT21F 2021. Next, I will talk about display issue. First, maintain display internia. Make sure the screen change little from one screen to the next within a functional touch situation. Organize screen complexity. Eliminate unnecessary information. Then, use conceal unambiguous wording for instruction and message. Next, use easy to recognize icons. Use a balanced screen layout. Don't put too much information at the top of the screen. Next, try to balance information in each screen quadrant. Use plenty of white space around text blocks. Use the at least 15% white space for text screens. Lastly, group information logically. Thank you. That's all from me. Next, I will pass to Alia Sofia.
Thank you, Aisha. Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Ali Sofia binti Ahmad Syaful. My matrix number is 01DDT21F2068. Now I will present the last guidelines, which is a physical, environmental and health issues. Human memory limitations. Number 1 is try to create short linear sequence of tasks. Number 2 is don't flash important information onto the screen for brief time periods. Number 3 is organize data fields to match user expectations or to organize user input. For the example is auto-formatting phone numbers. Number 4 is provide cues or navigation aids for the user to know where they are in the software or at what stage they are in an operation. Number 5 is provide reminders or warnings as appropriate. Number 6 is provide ongoing feedback on what is an or just happened. Number 7 is let users recognize rather than recall information. And lastly is minimize working memory loss by limiting the length of sequence and quantity of information. That's all. Thank you from us.